Hello viewers, in this video I replace a 2017 Prius key fob battery. Remove the metal ignition key by pressing the button on the side of your key fob. Insert the metal key into the opening left behind and gently pry your key fob open. Remove the circuit board out of your key fob. Use any sharp tool to pry out the battery from the circuit board. Installation is the reverse procedure. Please like and subscribe, and I thank you for supporting my video.